Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great Ask a Ninja from Kent Pickle from one of our YouTube videos. It was the best way to insulate the crawl space walls videos that we did, so I'll put a link down to that below. And he wants to know, what is the best way to insulate a crawl space wall if it is brick? Okay, so how do you insulate a crawl space wall with foam board if it is brick? Stay tuned. So again, I just wanted to talk to you and tell you a little bit about my book. If you get a chance to check it out on Amazon, it is Crawl Space Repair Myths Busted. If you're looking to do a DIY project or hire a contractor, I'd highly recommend you get this book. It covers a lot of myths that you're going to hear doing research on how to fix your crawl space. Also, if you all would like to do a one-on-one consultation with me, that's becoming very popular. People are giving me great feedback and answering their specific questions. You can share pictures of your crawl space, and even depending on how things go, we might have you as a guest on our YouTube channel. So make sure you check out those links down below as well. Okay, Ken, I appreciate you asking that question on our YouTube video. You said, I see you've done a lot of block walls, but what about brick? Will the Hilti gun work on brick without breaking them? And that is a great question. First of all, show the Hilti gun here. For those of you that don't know, we actually make the Hilti products available to either rent or purchase on our DIY store. You just go to diy.crawlspaceninja.com, click on equipment rentals, and you can rent or purchase either the DX5 or the GX3. The DX5 is designed to apply foam board, and the GX3 is designed to apply plastic or Insulbarrier. One of the other things I want to mention is that you can use Insulbarrier. We have it back on our DIY store, so if foam board isn't a good option for you all, it is not a good option for you, then you can get the Insulbarrier, and it is a vapor barrier and insulation in one. And there's some great information on that also on our DIY store. It's under the insulation tab of our DIY store. Okay, so what I want to share with you, Kent Pickle, is the Loctite PL300. Now, this is a great product, all right? I've been doing research on this product, and if you've got a concrete block or brick wall or stone or different things like that, it'll even work on drywall wood and different things like that, it is a great product to use. The disadvantage to a product like this is that you have to let it bond. Okay, it does take a little while to bond up, but I'm going to put a link to this product down below so you can purchase it directly. A lot of the reviews I've seen are really good reviews. The only negative reviews I saw so far is apparently they got shipped an 11 pack when they ordered a 12 pack of the Loctite. I have read other adhesives. Make sure you check the expiration date if you're going to order these products, because they can expire. They only got about a 2-year shelf life, so depending on where you get them, they could have been on the shelf for a while. So make sure you check that out. But as you can see here, this is great for different applications in the crawl space. The thing that makes this product unique than other caulks that are available is that it will not burn the foam board. That is why you have to get a foam board specific product. Okay, so this will not burn through your foam board, whether it's EPS or XPS foam board. You can also use it to fill minor gaps. So if you've got an uneven brick wall or stone wall or even a block wall where the mortar kind of kicked out a little bit on you, you can use this product there to fill in those gaps. And it is available for interior or exterior. So if you're planning on a new construction project and you want to insulate the wall from the outside, you can do that, or you can insulate the wall from the inside if it's already a finished project. And a lot of people don't know that as well, is that if you've got a new construction project and you do the outside, you're creating that thermal break outside the foundation wall. You do not have to insulate the inside, according to what I've been reading from the Department of Energy and also building code. It only requires one or the other. Okay, so if you want to dig out your foundation to fix an exterior waterproofing project and you want to put foam board on the outside of the foundation wall, you can do that as well, or as you can see here, it can be done on the inside. Lastly, just real quick, how to use it. Very easy to use, just like standard caulk. Apply with a standard caulk gun. Again, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for it to cure. So as you can see here, they've got these blocks showing the compression of the foam board. So if you're going to apply it up against a foundation wall, I'd recommend you get something heavy to lean up against that foam board to keep it snug up against there, so that you can put a vapor barrier up to it or over it later, or as I mentioned, you can install the Insulbarrier if you decide not to go with a foam board. Make sure you use a ground contact foam board, either the pink or the blue or the green foam boards that are out there. Not all of them are created the same. Some are designed for ground contact, which you want to use, which is what you want to use in your crawl space of your basement, versus some of the others that are used in attics and living spaces. And of course, it does take up to 7 days for a full cure time. Again, not as quick of an install as using a Hilti gun, but certainly if you got a brick foundation or an uneven stone foundation, I think the Loctite PL300 would be a great use for you. So I hope you like this video down below. If you have any questions about anything, check out our Ask a Ninja, or you can comment on our YouTube channel on this video if I missed anything, or let us know if you've used the Loctite PL300 and had a good or a bad experience down below as well. I'm Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.